30 Days of Faceless YouTube Automation, the unfiltered truth. Can AI really replace human creativity? I spent 30 days testing faceless YouTube automation, diving headfirst into a world of scripts, stock footage, and automated voiceovers. The results? Unexpected, frustrating, and maybe profitable. If you've ever dreamed of making money on YouTube without showing your face, this is the video for you. We're unpacking the entire journey, what worked, what didn't, and whether this is the future of content or just another overhyped trend. 2. The rise of faceless YouTube. Faceless channels are taking over silent giants in the YouTube space, pulling in millions of views while their creators stay completely behind the scenes. But why is this happening? Automation, AI tools, and an ever-evolving audience preference for fast content have fueled this surge. Creators don't have to be the face of their brand anymore. In fact, some are making six figures never even recording their own voice. Take David Omari, a creator who has built multiple faceless channels using automation and outsourcing. His strategy? Leveraging AI tools and freelancers to scale content production while focusing on monetization. Another example is cash cow YouTube channels, where creators mass-produce content in high-earning niches like finance, motivation, and tech reviews without ever appearing on camera. But is this really passive income? Or is it just another full-time job disguised as automation? 3. Setting up the channel. So, I set out to make my own faceless channel. First step? Picking a niche. And let me tell you, this is the most important decision of the entire process. You can't just throw AI-generated content into the void and expect results. The key is finding a niche that already has demand, something people actively search for. True crime? Motivation? AI tech reviews? After analyzing trends, I locked in my niche. Next, the actual content creation. And this is where things got interesting. I used ChatGPT and Copilot to write scripts, Canva to design thumbnails, and AI-generated voiceovers to bring the videos to life. Sounds seamless, right? In theory, yes. In reality? Well, let's just say AI doesn't always understand pacing, emotion, or what makes a video watchable. 4. Content creation process. AI-generated voiceovers, robotic or revolutionary? The answer is both. At first, my videos sounded like an emotionless news broadcast. It lacked the energy that keeps people engaged. So, I had to tweak the delivery, editing pauses, adjusting tones, even manually adding emotion where AI failed. Stock footage and animations? That was easier, pulling visuals from free databases and stitching everything together with editing software. But here's the thing, just because you can automate something doesn't mean it feels human. Take TechZone, a faceless channel that exploded using automated content. Their secret wasn't just automation, it was smart storytelling, ensuring every video felt engaging, even without a human host. 5. Uploading and optimization. Optimization isn't optional, it's survival. YouTube rewards videos that play well with its algorithm, and I had to make sure mine ticked all the right boxes. Titles, descriptions, and thumbnails, these are your handshake with the algorithm. I use TubeBuddy and vidIQ to track keywords, analyze engagement, and refine my approach. But here's a harsh truth, no amount of optimization will save a bad video. The content itself has to earn its place in people's recommendations. Thumbnail A/B testing was crucial. Did people respond better to bold text? Faces? Symbols? Turns out, simplicity won, high contrast, clear messaging, and less clutter performed better. 6. Results and challenges. So, after 30 days of faceless automation, what did I learn? Some videos gained traction. Others? They died in the depths of the algorithm. And monetization? That's an entirely different beast. For any channel, watch time and engagement determine success. If viewers click but don't stick around, your video is essentially invisible. And AI-generated content, without human nuances, struggles with retention. Revenue? It wasn't bad, but it wasn't passive. Between optimizing, tweaking, researching, and editing, this felt like anything but automation. 7. Conclusion and takeaways. Faceless YouTube automation can work, but not without effort. AI is a tool, not a replacement for creativity. If you're considering this path, focus on engagement, authenticity, and niche selection over just cranking out automated videos. Would I do this again? Honestly, maybe. But not under the illusion that it's easy money. The reality? It's a system that rewards strategy, not shortcuts. So, is faceless YouTube the future? Maybe. But one thing's for sure. Creativity will always matter more than automation. In today's rapidly evolving world, one question keeps rising to the surface. Can automation replace creativity? We live in an era of speed. Machines now write emails, design logos, edit videos, and even compose music. AI can answer questions, mimic human voices, and generate art in seconds. Automation is no longer a futuristic dream, it's here, and it's everywhere. It's fast. It's efficient. It doesn't sleep. And it keeps getting better. But here's the deeper question. Can it imagine? Can it dream? Can it truly create? Because creativity is not just about production. It's about soul. About vision. It's the ability to see what isn't there and bring it to life. Think about it. The most powerful inventions in history. The light bulb, the airplane, the internet. All began as crazy ideas in the minds of daring, creative humans. They didn't follow formulas. They broke them. Machines can follow instructions. But creativity asks questions. It experiments. It fails. It tries again. A robot can write a poem. But can it feel heartbreak? Can it describe the beauty of a sunset that made it cry? Creativity comes from experience. From emotion. From being alive. That's not something you can automate. But here's the twist. It's not a battle. It's a collaboration. Automation should not replace creativity, it should amplify it. Imagine using AI to handle repetitive tasks, while you focus on what really matters. Ideas, strategy, vision, expression. Use the machine to edit your video. But let your heart write the story. Let the software fine-tune the mix. But let your soul compose the melody. Automation is the muscle. Creativity is the mind. Together, they are unstoppable. So, don't fear the rise of machines. Embrace the partnership. Because the future doesn't belong to robots or humans alone. It belongs to those who know how to combine both. Let machines handle the heavy lifting. So you can dream bigger, think deeper, and create without limits.